This is the cut, copy, and paste activity. And if you cannot edit this particular activity from Schoology, you'll simply go up to File, Make a Copy, and just call it whatever you want, or just entitle it Copy. If for some reason you cannot see the word File, Edit, View, if you don't see this toolbar at all, you might want to hit this arrow, which, see this arrow, this down arrow? That will show you the toolbar. And then you go to File, Make a Copy, okay? So this is my copy. I'm going to increase the view so you guys can see this. The first direction says to copy and paste this list and put it in order. So this is for days of the week. So you're going to copy and paste. So we're going to start with the word Sunday, since that is the first day of the week. We're going to select the word Sunday and we're going to copy it. You can either copy by hitting Edit Copy or Command C. And then you click inside the box where you want the first word to show up. You can see it blinking. And you can either hit Command V for victory to paste or Edit Paste. Okay? And you'll just keep going. The next day of the week is Monday. Edit Copy. Click inside the box. Edit Paste. Tuesday. Select. Edit Copy. Click inside the box. Edit Paste, and so on. You will finish this out till you get to Saturday, which is over here. Okay? The next set of directions is cutting and pasting. Now, the difference between copying and cutting is that you're going to actually take the word and cut it out and paste it somewhere else. So the first icon picture here is for Twitter. So you're going to select the word Twitter. You're going to hit Edit Cut, not copy, Edit Cut. Notice the word disappeared. Okay? You're going to click inside the box and you can say Edit Paste or Command V. All right? So the next icon is Instagram. You can choose to Edit Cut, or to the shortcut for cutting is Command X. I'm just going to do Edit Cut. Click inside the box, either Command V to paste or Edit Paste. And you're going to just keep going right along here and putting, the word next to its icon until it's completed, okay? And that concludes this activity. Once you're finished, you will submit this assignment in Schoology.